Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use the dock on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, be signed into your account on the computer itself. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, and at the moment the dock is on hiding mode, hide, unhide. Go all the way down to the dock, go to system preferences, go to dock, and now we can bring back the dock, automatically hide and show the dock. So that's gone now. The dock will never hide unless we click for it to hide. It's gone. I think this is the best way because then we can maximize the most screen space for the computer screen. Now if we have the dock on screen, we're losing all the pixels. It feels like the screen is very small. We are not able to maximize the full page. Now if we move the dock to left, we can then view web pages and see more on screen. Move it to the right. Let's go back to the bottom. Automatically hide and show the dock for the moment. Let's go all the way down to the dock, open up Finder, go back to system preferences. Let's just hide and show the dock for the moment. So now that's not ticked. The dock will be visible. Let's just increase the size, decrease the size, just leave it the way it is. Magnification. If I click on applications on the dock, they are then magnified to its maximum app capacity on screen. We can have the genie effect or scale effect. Let's just minimize, maximize, genie effect. You see the difference. We can now show recent applications in the dock. So we're using ScreenFlow. Minimize windows into the application icon. Let's just click on this. So if I minimize Finder, let's just open up Safari and then minimize. That minimizes the application into the application. Minimize Windows into application icon. Command Alt and D is a shortcut to hide and show the dock itself. So let's remove magnification. We don't need that. Let's also remove show recent applications in dock. We don't need that. We can minimize windows into application icon. Remove that. We don't need that. Prefer tabs when opening documents in full screen only, always or manually. Let's just leave it to in full screen only. And so that's how we use the dock. If we go to, let's say, Launchpad, click on an application. Let's just click on WhatsApp and drag this to the dock itself. And that's how we add applications to the dock. We can also remove. Click on the application and drag off. Remove. This does not remove the application from the computer, only the dock. The applications are stored within application. If we delete them from there, then the application will be deleted forever. And then we can use Clean My Mac to clean the applications, shred the applications that we no longer require. So now we can quit Safari, open up Finder. Let's just take this to full screen mode for the moment. Let's open up Safari. That's also full screen. We can quit Safari. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.